Now what do you think this noise is coming from? Let's check it out. Well, if you guessed a rotten rear subframe and a broken strut, you would have been correct. First off, the strut is right here and the mount is broken. Second off, you can see the rear subframe here has a hole in it and it's cracked all the way through. That's not good. Every time you release the clutch pedal going in reverse, this actually flexes up, causing a very large clunk, which makes this vehicle nearly impossible to either repair. Well, this you can't repair, that's just flat destroyed. And it's really not safe to drive, unfortunately. So it looks like this car's life will soon end. And unfortunately, even though it's got new parts, it is a Honda. Hondas do rot, as you can see. And they all end up in the great beyond known as the salvage yard. Hey, if you like these videos, please subscribe to the information below, your name and your email address, and I'll continue forwarding on these videos. And if you have any questions or funny noise that you're hearing from a vehicle, or hey, how do I do this? Send me an email, preppyboysauto@hotmail.com, and I guess I will end it here with a little remembrance for this Honda.